welcome back to my channel where we talk about parenting, well-being and lifestyle. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Cynthia Ofadile. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some tips to grow your spring onion in water. You can imagine that you can regrow your spring onion just by putting it in water. Now, let's dive in and see how you can achieve that. So your spring onion you normally buy from the shop, instead of binning it, the roots, you can just regrow it and you keep enjoying spring onion. Ask me how. Now, you get your spring onion, you cut it just a little bit close to the roots, making sure to leave some to enable new shoots to come through, and then you leave them in water for a couple of days, changing the water maybe once every 2 days. And then once you see new roots coming through, is either you leave the shoots to keep sprouting and getting taller and taller by the day, or you can put them in the soil and let them get more nutrients, which are very good for your body. Spring onion are quite easy to grow. Like, you can grow them just in water or in the soil, and they can grow also in a hot environment or cold environment, but not too hot. They like the soil rich and moist, so it's quite easy and it doesn't take lots of space. You can use little containers, as you can see here. I'm putting like 3 spring onion in a small container. You can even use your empty milk container or any container, any plastic at all. You don't even need to go about buying lots of containers. You can use this one for a start. All you just need is to perforate underneath where it can drain some excess water. So these ones I have prepared before, and as you can see, new shoots of spring onion. So to repot them, gently turn the container upside down and tap gently to bring out the spring onion plant. Then you can now pot them in your new pot, which is larger and has enough space. So all you need to do is to make a hole and then put your new plant, your young plant, into the hole you have created and gently firm the plant, making sure that you have filled in the spaces with the soil so that it doesn't have any space, and firm it gently. And that's it. You water your plant, ready to go. Your spring onion ready to cut. You can keep cutting your spring onion and eating, and you can keep getting new shoots coming through all the time for like 2 to 3 times. Just keep enjoying your spring onion. That'll be all for now. Thank you for watching. If you haven't started following me before, please start following me, and if you're following me already, thank you so much for following me, and I will see you in my next video. Remember, stay positive and be happy. Bye for now.